In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to disable the comments box in your website. I mean, sometimes you start receiving a lot of irrelevant comments and comments from your competitors and stuff that's not really good. So if you want to stop all that, you can remove the option. So how do you do that? Okay, so this is my website. It's called productoasis.com. And okay, so let me just go into a post and explain to you what I'm trying to demonstrate here. Okay, so now this is a post I wrote today. You can see it's 8th of August. All right, so now this is the post. It's a good product, by the way. Okay, so this, I want to get rid of this section, right? So if I get rid of this section, people will not be able to leave comments. Right. So how do you do that? So first you log into your WordPress account. I'm already logged in. So this is how it looks like. We go to settings. In settings, we go to discussion. Settings. Okay. In settings, we go to discussion. In discussion, these are the options. So if you unselect this option, it will do the job. Okay, so now we unselected this option. Now we go back and say save changes. Okay, then we log out. Now let's go back to the site and see whether the box is still appearing or not. So we are back on the site. Let's go here and check it. Okay, so it's not done the job. But maybe I have to check it on another browser, because that's what happens sometimes because of the cookies. So let me just go to this browser. This is another browser. And let's go and check it. We go all the way down. It's not done the job. So let's go see what's wrong. Let's go back. Let's go and log in. Let's go back to settings. Let's go to discussion. Okay. It's actually done the job. Why? Let's do a save again. Let's go back into the other browser and let's check it again. Let's go here. Let's refresh the page. Let's check another page. This is something that I published yesterday. I did something day before. Let me open this for you because this is interesting, even as a blog post. This is really interesting. I don't know. I mean, I'm giving you a demo for disabling comments box, but if you guys have the time to read this post, you can read it. It's interesting on how this book, in which they're giving you 500 side hustles. Most of them work, by the way, and it's nothing. It's for peanuts, $9.99, and you get 500 side hustles. Even if one works for you, it's crazy. It's really crazy. Okay, we are here for another purpose. Okay, so the comments is still visible, so it didn't do the job. It didn't do the job. Let me go back and see whether there's okay. So this is what it says. Individual posts may override these settings. Changes here will only apply to new posts. Okay, so that's what it means. So that's what we have to go and delete it in each post. I mean, going forward, all the new posts will have that disabled, but for the existing posts, we have to go and edit it individually. So let's see how we can do that, right? So we are into the edit mode of this post. So I'm trying to find where we can delete it, delete the option or remove the option, but there doesn't seem to be anything here though. Huh? That's surprising. Let's say post here. Start test. So there isn't anything here. So let's go back and see whether we can do it in any other section. So I come back here. Let's go to okay, comments. There is a comments. Let's see whether see, this is what I mean, you know. People just leave these kind of comments and with their links and, blockchain, and it has got nothing to do with the uh, product that I have reviewed, okay? See, somebody is writing about blockchain on something, on a post that I had written about a MailChimp alternative, right? So it's all irrelevant. I mean, it's a painful task, time-consuming task to go and delete all these comments. It's how do we see? Okay, so how do we disable? There is no way to disable here. Let us see if we can go into all post mode, and let us see if we can do anything there. Let's say we have a post here. Hey guys, by the way, you can see my SEO score. It's mostly green. So wherever there's a red or an orange, I always go back and tweak it later. So what happens when it's green? You get indexed faster. I mean, the search engines also are able to bring you up on the SERPs, search engine results page, right on top, So that's why it's important to get these two green. I mean, if you would like me to post a video on how to do your SEO, on-site SEO, the right way, then leave me a comment. But right now, the issue seems to be I'm caught in a fix. I'm not able to disable the comments box in older posts. It has been disabled for new posts. Means going forward, whatever posts I make, the comment section will not be visible. But what do we do now? So I'm stumped here. I'm going to ask my viewers, if any one of you know how to do this, you can leave me a comment or link to a video where they demonstrate how to disable the comments box on existing posts on your WordPress website. Okay, so this demo didn't work out from the point of view that I wanted it to, work out for, but I'm hoping one of you can help me out. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel. I got nice stuff lined up in the coming future.